Hi student, this video is about solving linear inequalities in one variable. I will show you how to solve some inequalities and how to write the solution in inequality, real number line and interval notation. So let's move to the first example. We have 5x less than 3x plus 4. Okay, for your information, the step to solve this inequality is actually same as we solve equation. Means you need to bring the term with variable to one side and constant to one side. Okay, I will bring the term with variable to left hand side and constant to right hand side. So we get 5x minus 3x less than 4, and then solve for left hand side. You get 2x less than 4, and then we need to divide. If you divide positive term, there is no change at this inequality. But if we divide negative term, we need to change inequality. So here we get x less than 4 over 2 or x less than 2. So x less than 2, this is solution in inequality form. Inequality form or inequality notation. Okay, how to write this solution in form of interval form or real number line. So in interval form or interval notation, since we have less than 2, mean we use open bracket. Okay, less than 2 means from negative infinity to 2. And then how to write the solution in real number line. Real number line. Okay. We have value 2. And then since we have open bracket, mean we use white dot. And then move to left. Okay, next, second example. We have 6 minus 2x greater equal to 3. So just bring constant to one side. So we have negative 2x greater equal to 3 minus 6, or negative 2x greater or equal to negative 3. And then here we need to divide term with negative coefficient. So x, since we want to divide a negative term, you need to change these inequalities. We have greater or equal to, so you need to change to less than or equal. Okay, negative 3 divided by negative 2. So x less than equal to 3 over 2. Okay, these are solution in inequality notation. So in interval notation or interval form, okay, since we have equal in our symbol of inequality, so we will use close bracket. So less than equal to 3 over 2. So start from negative infinity to 3 over 2 and close bracket. And how to write in real number line? Real number line. Write solution in real number line. So we have one value here, 3 over 2. And then close bracket mean black dot. And then we move to left hand side. Okay, next example number 3. If we have 4 Okay, less than equal to 3x minus 2 less than 13. Means 3x minus 2 less than 13 greater than or equal to 4. Okay, for these inequalities, you can solve directly. Mean we can bring the constant to left hand side and right hand side. So we get 3x less than 13 plus 2 or greater than equal to 4 plus 2. So 3x less than right hand side 13 plus 2 equal to 15 and left hand side greater equal to 6. And then to solve for x, we need to divide. So x less than, since 3 is positive not negative, so we do not need to change the inequality symbol. So x less than 15 divided by 3 greater equal to 6 divided by 3, or x less than 5 greater equal to 2. So this solution in inequality form or inequality notation, and then in interval form. Okay, for first symbol we have equal sign, mean you use close bracket. Second symbol open bracket. So x less than 5 greater equal to 2. So close bracket 2 5 open bracket. Or in real number line, we have two value here, 2 and 5. Here is 2 and 5. 2 we will use black dot and 5 white dot. Just draw a line. Since x greater equal to 2, so our line actually move to the right. Actually, how to draw a line? Okay, for example, I draw for x greater equal to 2, the line will move to the right. Okay, like this. And then for x less than 5, we will use a white dot and then move to left. And then we will take the intersection here. That's why our solution, real number line, line 2 5. Okay, black dot, white dot. Okay, become like this. Okay, next example number 4. We have 7 minus 4x over 3 less than equal to 5 and greater than negative 3. Okay, for these inequalities, for the first step, actually when we have fraction, here we have fraction, so we can multiply both sides with 3 since this is constant. But if we have variable, we can multiply on both sides. So we get 7 minus 4x less than equal to 15 and left hand side greater than negative 9. And then you can solve for x. Mean you just need to bring constant 7 to left and right hand side. So negative 4x less than equal to 15 minus 7 and greater than negative 9 minus 7. So we get negative 4x less negative 4x less than equal to x and greater than negative 16. Okay, next you just need to divide with negative 4. Since the coefficient is negative, so x, okay, on your right hand side our inequality symbol will change because we will divide this with negative term. So x greater equal to x divided by negative 4 and greater than, greater than will become less than negative 16 divided by negative 4. Or we get x greater equal to negative 2 and less than 4. Okay, this is in inequality form. Okay, how to write in interval notation or interval form. So for the first inequality we use open bracket, second inequality close bracket, but open is less than, greater than on your left side, so greater equal to negative 2 and then 4 open bracket. And then how to write or how to sketch on the number line. So we have negative 2 and 4 white dot and negative 2 black dot. And lastly, example 5. We have 7x minus 2 less than 13 minus 3x greater equal to negative 2 plus 5x. Okay, for this inequality we can solve directly, but we can split this compound inequality into two simple inequalities. Okay, this number 1, 2 and 3. You can combine 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. So we get negative 2 plus 5x less than equal to 7x minus 2 and 7x minus 2 less than 13 minus 3x. Okay, we can solve for the first inequality. Just bring term with variable to one side and constant to one side. So we get 5x minus 7x less than equal to negative 2 plus 2. Okay, 5 minus 7 negative 2x less than 0. Okay, now we want to divide, but our coefficient is in negative sign, so x we will change the inequality symbol. Less than equal will be greater than equal to 0 divided by negative 2. Okay, 0 divided by any value will equal to 0. we get x greater equal to 0. And the second inequality, okay, 7x plus 3x less than 13 plus 2, or 10x less than 15, or x less than 15 over 10, or we can simplify x less than 3 over 2. Okay, now we can combine this solution. Since we split the working, and now we can combine the solution. In inequality, you can combine the solution. So x less than 3 over 2 greater equal to 0. In interval notation, okay, the first inequality we have equal mean close bracket. This one is open bracket. So interval notation, greater than 0, less than 3 over 2. And lastly, how we write in, or we sketch our solution in real number line. So real number line, we have value 0 and 3 over 2. So 0 black dot, 3 over 2 white dots. Okay, thank you.